Bonjour! Today I'm going to show you how to make this 3D letter in Procreate. In this tutorial, you will learn how to easily create a 3D letter and how to extrude inside it. All the resources I'm going to use, like this color palette and this letter, are available for free in the description just below this video. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the following canvas settings. First, we will set the background color. Go to your Layers panel, tap the background color layer, then tap this beige color from the color palette. Go to your brush library, airbrush in brush set, and select the soft brush. Tap the color button and select this darker color. We are going to imagine that the light source is coming from the top, so use your soft brush on the bottom of your canvas. Now let's add the lettering. You can use my design or you can use any font you like. First, drop this orange color from the color palette onto each part of the letter. Duplicate your layer. Select the bottom one and drop this red color on it. Duplicate your new layer. Select the top one. Tap the transformation tool icon. Move your layer slightly towards the bottom right. Take the eraser and erase everything outside the orange letter. Tap the selection tool icon in freehand mode with color fill. Then connect the edges between the two letters. Now let's create the 3D letter. Select this layer and drop the red color inside your letter. Duplicate your layer. Select the top one and drop this yellow color. Now select this layer. Tap the transformation tool icon. And move your layer towards the bottom right. Tap the selection tool icon in freehand mode with color fill enabled. Make sure to have the red color on your color button. Then connect the edges between the two letters. Let's add gradients to accentuate the 3D effect. For each lettering layer, create a new layer on top. Tap the letter N next to the checkbox set the Add Blend mode, tap on your layer, then set Clipping Mask. For the orange letter, select the clipping mask above the orange letter layer. Pick the orange color, then use your soft brush with a large size on top of your letter. For the thin red color inside your letter, select the clipping mask above this layer, pick the red color, then use your soft brush in a small size on those parts of your letter. For the Leo letter, select the clipping mask above the yellow letter layer. Pick the yellow color, then use your soft brush with a large size on top of your letter. For the red part, select the clipping mask above the red letter layer. Pick the red color, then use your soft brush on those parts of your letter. For this angle, grab the selection tool icon, disable color fill, select this part of your layer, use your soft brush like this, Then now you have a clean edge. Do the same thing above. Now let's create the drop shadow on your canvas. Hide your background layer and this one. Create a new layer. Go to the Actions menu. Add, copy canvas, then paste. Bring back your background layer. Then go to the Adjustments menu. Tap on Hue, Saturation and Brightness and set the brightness to none. Move the new layer over your background. Tap the transformation tool icon and move your layer to the bottom left. Drop the red color inside. Go to your Layers panel. Tap on your layer with 2 fingers and drag to the left to decrease the opacity. Next, go to the Adjustments menu and tap on Perspective Blur. Put the positional icon at the top of your canvas and increase the perspective blur. For the finishing touches, create a new layer on top, tap the Actions menu, Add, copy canvas, then paste. Go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen, slide to adjust to 70%. Go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Chromatic Aberration, slide to adjust to 4%. Go back to the Adjustments menu one last time, tap Noise and slide to adjust to 9%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that if you want to get weekly tutorials, lettering brushes and color palettes directly to your inbox for free, you can join my newsletter thanks to the link available in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!